So this next, actually two questions are multiple choice. It says choose the correct question for an arithmetic sequence in which the fourth term is 19. And that's very interesting. They are telling me that this is arithmetic, and I know that the fourth term produces 19, and I also know that the 10th term produces the number 43. Now, the reason why I wrote it down like that is this is equivalent to finding the equation of a line that goes through those 2 points. I do know that if it's increasing, I don't know what it's increasing by actually, do I? I don't, I don't. And I don't even know what the zeroth term is. So if I want to know how much it's increasing by, I could figure out if these were x's and these were y's, right? I could figure out the change in y and divide it by the change in x. That would give me the slope, which is the change that I'm going through each time n increases by 1. So if I look at this, I could go ahead and take the 43 and subtract 19 from it. So I'll just go 43 minus 19, and that gives me a change in y of 24 units. And I can also take the 10 and subtract 4, and I know that that's 6, but I get that that's a change of 6 units. And then the ratio there, 24 divided by 6 is 4. Whoops, divided by 6 should be 4, and it is. So I know that I'm increasing by 4 each time. So there's two things that could possibly be the answer, right? C has an increase of 4 each time n goes up, and as does D. The question that I have is, what's my y-intercept, right? What's that value? And if I knew that, it'll either be C is the answer or D is the answer. A couple of ways to get at that, and we'll just look at this as a sequence this time. If I think about it, here's the zero term, the first, second, third, and fourth. I know the fourth term is 19, and I could go down further. I know that the 10th term they told me was, it was 43. And I also know that every single time 24 divided by 6 is plus 4, right? I'm increasing by 4. So if I wanted to, go forward, I would add 4. But if I want to go backwards in time, I would subtract 4. And 19 minus 4 would give me 15. And 15 minus 4 gives 11. And 11 minus 4 should be 7. Is that right? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. 7. And 7 minus 4 should give me positive 3. So I can see now that the zeroth term has to be the number 3. Now also, just at this point, I could, because I'm kind of suspicious that it's either C or D, another way I could verify which one is which is I could just plug in my 2 points and see which equation makes both of them true. But at this point, I do know that the answer is C. I'm increasing by 4 each time, and I have a zeroth term of 3.